Good morning. Here we start the new phase chapter, standards and comparator. Here we will see what do you mean by standards, what are the different types of standard, what are its importance, what are its advantage and disadvantage. Now the next is comparator. Against the definition of comparator, what are the different types of comparator and how it is used in industries and lab. Now let's see what do you mean by standards. Standards it itself gives the meaning. Standard, what do you mean by standards? Whenever you want to measure any quantity at that time, standards play very important. How could it is possible? Let's say that standard is nothing but the setups established by some authority as the rules of measurement. Means this one is nothing but some this standard is set up by some authority. It is established by some authority as a rule for measurement of any dimensions or any quantity. If you want to measure any quantity like the temperature, like the pressure, like your weight, at that times you need the standards. Means if you go to the measuring for weight, then here we can use the kg. When you want to measure the temperature, at that time degree centigrade, that is the unit. This is nothing but the standard. Standard says here which quantity is measured in what types of unit. That is here explained in the standard. Now what are the different types of standard? There are the three types of standard. What are they? They are nothing but the line standard, they are nothing but the end standard and wavelength standard. Each and every standard has its unique characteristic. Now we start from the line standard. What do you mean by line standard and end standard? This one is the another part, that is wavelength standard. First of all, we see the line standard. The word itself gives the meaning. What do you mean by line? Line standard. Line standard means here this standard is represent the distance between the two lines. Suppose this one is the scale. If you want to measure this length of this chalk, at that time you express the distance or the length from this line with the help of this scale. Okay, this one is nothing but the line standard. Distance between the two lines is represented in a line standard. That's why it is the line standard. Now, what are its advantage and disadvantage? The scale is accurately engraved. It is very easy, right? This scale is engraved is very accurate, quick and easy. Obviously, no skill here required. Or unskilled or semi-skilled operator or worker or the person also use this. It is very quick and easy. Whatever the result obtained is very quick and easy. Third one is your marking not subjected to the wear. This marking is not subjected to the wear, but it is restricted to some of it. Next is parallax error. Yes, the parallax error is induced. When you mark the distance or measure the distance, at that time the parallax errors means observations error. How you could observe this reading, that errors are also included in the line standard. Next one is your not convenient scale. This scale is not convenient. Why? Because the least count means कमीत कमी आपण किती मोजू शकतो हे या ठिकाणी restriction आहे. That's why it not convenient scale. This scale is not convenient. When you go to the precision and accuracy, at that time this line standard plays not very important role. Next, difficult to find out the length. Yes, obviously. Whenever you want to find out the length, at that time this instrument is not sufficient to give the correct reading. LC is very less. Just now I am explaining here. Least count. The least count of this scale is 1 mm. Less than 1 mm is not possible to measure with the help of that scale. That's why the least count. Least means कमीत कमी and count means मोजणे. Unskilled worker also use. Obviously, very simple and easy. Unskilled skill operator also use this. And it, very important, that is less cost. It's very cheap. When you go to the market and purchase this scale, it's very less cost. Now, what is the end standard? Now, as compared to the line standard, end standards are somewhat to the extent it is more precise and accurate. End standard. What is the end standard? As like in the line standard, the length is expressed between the two ends. म्हणजे काय दोन फ्लॅट फेसेस मधनं आपण अंतर दाखवू शकतो. Let's see. This one is the micrometer. This one is against the flat face and this one is against the flat face. This called as the end. When you measure the distance between the, let's see, when you measure the distance between the two ends or two flat faces like this, that is called as a end standard. Same like this one is the micrometer.
Same like this one is against the vernier caliper. Let's see, this one is the end, this one is against the end. Two flat faces. When you want to measure the distance between the two flat faces, at that times this is called as a exactly end standard. That's why it is a end standard. Now, what is its characteristic? It is a highly accurate. This end standard is, as compared to the line standard, is a high accurate. Not easy to use. Yes, obviously, some of the up to some extent, skilled workers are used for the handling these such types of end standard. No wear of marking. Here there are the numbers of marking. Let's see, numbers of marking here. But it is not wear and tear. This marking is not subjected to the wear and tear. That's why no wear of marking still. No parallax error. Obviously, when you take the snaps in photo for measurement purpose, at that times no parallax errors are induced. Here no parallax observations are found properly. That's why the measurement whatever obtained is correct. Convenient to use. Obviously, when you know the methods and process, how to measure the distance, how to measurement are carried out, at times it is very convenient to use. Exact length is find out. Obviously, whatever the length, suppose the distance or the width of this duster is find out, then you can get exact reading. You will get the exact reading with the help of this. Okay, means exact length is find out in end standard. Time consuming. Obviously, some of the times is required to measure with the help of end standard. Skill operator needed up to some extent as compared to the line standard. Unskilled or semi-skilled operator also used here, but here the skill operators are required. List count is high because both scale are here. This one is the main scale and this one is the vernier scale. With the help of these two scale, main scale and vernier scale, you can count very least and least measurement, or measure very least. And the next one is your high cost. As compared to the line standard, end standard is high cost. याची जर तुम्ही मार्केटला गेलात त्याचं कॅपिटल कॉस्ट हे सर्वात जास्त असणार. ओके, अप टू line standard and end standard we complete here. What do you mean by standard, what are its types, and what are its advantage and disadvantage and characteristics we observe here. Okay, we stop here. This one is your end standard and this one is your line standard. We stop here and continue in the next lecture, wavelength standard. Okay, thank you so much.